So this video is sponsored by Moomoo. If you want up to 20 free stocks and your uninvested cash to earn 8.1%, use that Moomoo link down below or go to stocksurfast.com/Moomoo. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100 and boom, you get some free stocks. And it also helps out the channel. I appreciate you guys as always. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So Palantir stock is looking pretty good yet again today, guys, as the entire stock market, oh my goodness, I'm sure you've seen, is on fire right now. We're talking Russell's up almost 3%, the Nasdaq's up 2.5, S&P's up 1.6, and the Dow Jones is up 1.2%. And we actually still have 2 hours of trading left at the time that I'm making this video. So check it out. This morning, Palantir stock was at $31.57 in the pre-market, which, you guessed it, that broke the high from yesterday. Yesterday, we hit about 31.30, 31.40 in the middle of the day. Then we sold off into close and kind of consolidated a bit before close. And this morning, we took that high out. You guys can see if I draw this trend line to the right, we took the high out and we kind of chopped around the mid 31s at open for the first hour and a half of trading. Then we sold down a bit. You guys can see if I pull up this intraday again, we can see we then sold down a bit, but ultimately we've been holding $31 as support all day. You guys can see that, right? If I get this trend line out, boom, we draw that out, $31. We're kind of seeing a triple bottom at that point, and now we're starting to rally into the last 2 hours of trading, which is actually a very good sign. So we can see here, not only did we take out the highs from yesterday, but we pulled down, triple bottomed at the critical support from yesterday at close, and now we're getting a pop off of that level, right? Now we're actually seeing a golden cross again on the intraday, and we're back over the moving averages. So ideally here, in a perfect scenario for the bulls, the ideal close would be if we ended up breaking out back to the mid 31s, maybe over the highs from the pre-market. That would be ideal for the bulls in the short term if we did that. Now, are we going to do that? Is that guaranteed? Not necessarily, but yeah, we're kind of trading range bound right now, if you will, here with 31.40.50 as resistance, with support being at about $30.90 to about $31 per share, right? And it looks like, again, triple bottom breakout is in full effect right now. And on the 5-day, 5-minute, we can see how we're still looking very bullish. You guys can see we have a triangle right here. We have higher lows being made clear as day into the resistance of about 31.40, 31.50. So if this plays out, the triangle plays out, we break over the mid 31s, there could be even more upside there. So the 5-day looks very bullish. 10-day chart obviously looks bullish as well. Same with the 20-day chart. You guys can see right here, we just hit a fresh high on the 20-day as we just hit a high on the 4-hour chart as well, which we've been doing that. That's nothing new. That's not news here, guys. We've been doing that. So in the very short term, because you guys already know my thoughts on the longer term charts, right? Very bullish on the 4-hour, on the 3-year chart, we're looking great. Max chart, we're looking great. I think $33.50 is a big target, followed by $38, $39. You guys all know this. We've been covering this in these videos, right? I think ultimately PLTR will get to the mid-high 30s. It's only a matter of time here. I think it's going to happen in the shorter term, quote-unquote shorter term. It could be, 3, 6, 9 months, whatever it ends up being. But, yeah, I mean, look, again, $33.50. $38, and in the short term, it doesn't look like the bulls want to give up at all. We took the highs out. We're looking good in this triangle right now. If it plays out, we take out 31.60. It could go even higher. So let me set some alerts right now, guys. I'll do one at $31.60. Mark is at or above. And I might as well do, I actually just got my alert right now. 31.20 just hit. which is interesting. I'm going to set another one at, let me do it here. Let's see, $32. Mark is at or above. There we go. And I might as well do another one at $31.75. And by the way, guys, run the likes up. I challenge you. Let's get this video to at least 150 likes, and make sure to sign up to my mailing list, which is free. I'm sending you guys my top 3 stocks every single Monday morning right to your email. All you guys have to do is put your first name and your email address. It takes literally 5 seconds. Use that link down below. Again, it's free. I appreciate your support. As always, no spamming, no BS, just straight up stocks and charts right to your email, guys. So yeah, PLTR yet again. It's shaping up to be another strong day for the stock, as the entire markets, guys, are crushing it. So I'm not surprised that PLTR is moving up again, because look, the Russell's up almost 3%. Now we're starting to get back back towards the highs, it looks like, here from the beginning of April, middle of May, right around 2150. That's a big spot overall for the Russell, which, guys, you guys can see, if we get out of there, which it looks like we're starting to break out, Russell's got a wide open range, wide open gap to fill up to about 2275, which this is a major window on the index, which I think ultimately will fill. It looks really good on the charts here, guys. Very good for that matter. What do you think? Let me know down below in the comments. But Russell's bouncing back big time. I'm liking that. Triple Q is looking really good as of now. We're breaking over the 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart. We're above the 50 SMA as well. And now we're starting to test the highs from early August, late July, being about 475, 476. That's a big spot. If that breaks, more upside could be coming. And on SPY, take a look at this, guys. We can see now we're testing the highs again, just like Triple Q, from the end of July, early August, being about 553 to 555. This spot is very important. If this breaks, guys, all-time highs, believe it or not, could be coming yet again right around the corner. So cheers to that, man. Let me actually get some water. I appreciate you all for tuning in. All right. So, yeah, I mean, we do have some other movers. Tesla's moving up today somehow, some way, which it's been in the dumps again. Tesla is up 7%, which this breakout right here is a very critical technical breakout for the stock. I mean, you guys can see I have this drawn out. This was from my last time we did analysis on Tesla stock. We can see we kind of predicted this. I mean, I'm not surprised. We had this line drawn out at about 205. That was the high from end of February, early March, end of April, early May, right? Then we broke out of 205 in the beginning of July. So Tesla fell under 205 to 185, 180. Now we're back over 205. We're at 215. We're breaking out of that point today, up 7%, up $13 to $14 per share. Pretty big move for Tesla stock today, guys. And we're actually taking out the 50 SMA with this move. So I think there could be more upside based on the charts here on Tesla. It's looking really freaking good, in my opinion, for a trade. So what do you guys think overall on Tesla, on Palantir, the overall stock market? I'm very curious where your head's at. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And don't forget to get up to 20 stocks from Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. And of course, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. And guys, the clock's ticking. That's only for a limited time. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfast.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.